Guess what? I put away all my 8x8 layouts the other day when I was cleaning my desk. And I was like, wow, it's been almost a year, maybe 2, since I've done an 8x8. It is time to do another one. And I have the perfect photo because when I am looking at my school photos and that kind of thing, I really want to make it so that there are like a double spread layout instead of a whole bunch of 12x12s in my school specific album. So I was like, okay, you know what? I've got a picture from school of my son making some friends. So let's do that. Now today we are playing with paper Funday challenges, and the twist this month is to use tags. So I've got some scrap paper here that I was using, and these tags are 3.5-ish by 7.5, and my layout is 8x8, which means this is absolutely going to cover everything, wall to wall. And this is a great way to really showcase your paper. And then I've got my photo here, and I stapled it on here because we are talking school. Staples are a big part of school. And then I am going to have my title be Making Friends, and it's going to kind of land right about there. And then I've got a couple extra embellishments right here. And this is glasses because my son wears glasses. And then it says my classroom. So that's really all the embellishing I'm doing, because this is an 8x8. You can get away with less embellishing. The thing that I am going to focus on is making tassels and how I'm going to show you how to do that. So instead of, the traditional maybe bow or ribbon or whatever, I thought since we are doing a school photo, let's mix it up a little bit and do tassels. And tassels are so easy. All you need is your string, your scissors, and some tape. These are small tassels, and they're about the size of my 2 fingers put together. I'm going to wrap this around 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to cut it so that this lands underneath, and then I am going to tape this circle down to my table. Now I'm kind of making it oval just a little bit. I'm going to scoot this over so you can see what I'm doing. My 2 ends are going to be on that side, and I'm going to tape it so that it does not move. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Now I'm going to make the tail first. So I'm going to unwrap and cut, and then I'm going to string this through the middle. And now I could do this 1 or 2 ways. I could tie it traditionally, or I can make a loop and tie it this way. I prefer this way just because it is easier, in my opinion. But you could do either way. Not a big deal. This is your tassel. Okay, so now we've got the tail. I'm going to go ahead and tape this down too. Makes it a little bit easier. I'm going to give it a little bit of slack because we're going to pinch right here, and I need to be able to pinch it. So I'm going to take some string and cut that. Okay, and it can be however long you need it to be. I need it to be pretty long because I am noticing that it's hard for me to get my fingers around these little spots. I'm going to kind of line them up, and then I'm going to do a surgeon's knot. So what that means is I'm going to go cross them and then go over twice with the 1 string. And the surgeon's knot is supposedly supposed to stay more, or stay better. I don't know if that's the case or not, but I just trust the internet. Sometimes that's what you got to do, okay? And then to make it a little thicker, you can see that's just a little bit thicker than that. I'm going to wrap these around on either side, and you can do that however many times you want. I'm only going to do it once because then I'm going to do another surgeon's knot, left over right, twice, and squeeze. And then I'm going to squeeze that pretty tight. I'm going to pull these down so it's actually part of the tassel, okay? Just like that. And so I wanted these pieces that I'm tying to be a little bit longer so that I can incorporate it into my tassel. And then I'm just going to cut the end. Boom. Yay! So there's a tassel. How cute and easy is that to make an alternate way to tie off tags? So I've got my 3 tassels. I'll attach them here, and then I will take a photo and you'll see the end result at the end of the video. Make sure to check out everybody else who's playing along with Paper Funday challenges. There's a couple sponsors that you might see, and then people might be doing the twist like I am with the tags. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.